Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Come on, Zoe. Now she got scared. Come on.
Yeah? Oh, nothing. Zoe's just right here. Mom! Zoe just walked across the room! Zoe just walked across the room! She just walked across the room! Look! Come on. We're videoing it. Huh? Do what now? Okay. Okay. Alright, bye. Zoe, come here, Zoe. Hold on. Here, let me give her the phone. Zoe! Here. Here, go give the phone to Daddy.